In trafficking trial, Diddy defense not expected to call any witnesses. What kind of courtroom drama ends with no witnesses, a rapper refusing to testify, and 20 minutes of footage so spicy the judge had to warn people not to blink? Oh, just another day in the wild legal saga of Sean Diddy Combs. Welcome back to Extra Hot Topic, where we stir the legal pot like it's simmering on high. And today, oh honey, we're dishing out courtroom chaos, celebrity secrets, and why Diddy's legal team is doing the legal version of a mic drop by doing almost nothing at all. In this video, we're diving deep into what's been happening inside that federal courtroom where Diddy is on trial, how his lawyers pulled a courtroom U-turn, and why you won't be seeing him take the stand anytime soon. Oh, and wait till you hear what Homeland Security had to say. Let's just say it includes F-offs, chokeholds, and more "are you kidding me" moments than a reality TV reunion. Alright, grab your popcorn and maybe a lawyer because things are about to get extra hot. So here we are. After weeks of eyebrow-raising testimony, bizarre video footage, and more shocking plot twists than a season of Scandal, Sean Diddy Combs' trial is finally reaching its boiling point. As of Monday, June 23rd, it looks like Diddy's legal team is pulling a fast one. Originally, they told the court they'd need 2 full weeks to defend Mr. Last Night himself. But surprise! His lawyers now say they'll likely wrap things up in 2 days. That's right! 2 days, no witnesses, no testimony from Diddy, and apparently no time for theatrics. His lead attorney, Mark Agnifilo, aka the courtroom magician, told Judge Arun Subramanian they're not calling any witnesses. Not one. Nada. Zilch. Instead, they're relying on the evidence already submitted, meaning they might just let the paperwork speak louder than people. Oh, and Diddy himself? He's expected to keep his lips sealed tighter than a Grammy envelope. The judge will still ask him to confirm that he doesn't want to testify, just in case he suddenly has a Kanye moment and grabs the mic. Now let's talk about what happened Monday. Buckle up. Federal prosecutors decided it was time to roll the tape, literally. The courtroom was treated to 20 minutes of footage from what prosecutors called F-offs. And let's just say, these clips were apparently so graphic the jury had to watch them with a figurative hazmat suit. Assistant U.S. Attorney Maureen Comey, yes, related to that Comey, described the videos as explicit. That's government speak for, "We're going to pretend this wasn't on your iCloud, sir." The final witness for the prosecution was Homeland Security Special Agent Joseph Cerciello. This man has probably seen things we only see in HBO dramas. Before he took the stand, the jury heard from none other than Brendan Paul, former assistant to Diddy, part-time alleged drug mule, and full-time magnet for federal attention. Now, Brendan's story could fill a courtroom novel. Once a college basketball player with hoop dreams, Paul got wrapped up in this circus after being name-dropped in a lawsuit from music producer Rodney Lil Rod Jones. Lil Rod claimed that Paul was out here playing Uber Eats, but instead of food, he was allegedly delivering banned goodies and hardware for Diddy. That got Paul hit with a cocaine possession charge, felony level. But guess what? The charges magically vanished when he agreed to testify with immunity. Lucky him. Paul's testimony is just one thread in the tangled web of Diddy's federal trial, which includes a lot of disturbing claims and some serious name drops. For example, Cassie Ventura, yes, the Me and You hitmaker and Diddy's ex, testified that she was regularly surrounded by drugs at these F-offs, naming ecstasy, ketamine, and cocaine like she was reading a pharmacy aisle. She claimed these substances helped her disassociate. Meanwhile, another ex who went by the alias also shared her own jaw-dropping testimony. Jane told the court she felt pushed into spending nights in hotels with Diddy where he'd allegedly ply her with substances and male company. She says he still pays her legal bills and rent. Yes, still, despite everything. Jane also painted a disturbing picture of the relationship's darker side, saying it was full of fear and manipulation. One particular incident allegedly involved Diddy putting her in a chokehold after striking her. And this allegedly happened right before he was arrested in NYC on federal charges. So to recap, we've got secret video footage, a basketball player turned drug runner with immunity, emotional exes testifying, and now a defense team that's apparently allergic to calling witnesses. If this trial were a Netflix show, it'd be trending on the platform. Closing arguments are expected to begin Thursday, and after that, it's up to the jury to decide whether Diddy walks out of that courtroom in designer shades or designer handcuffs. Okay, let me be real. This trial has everything. It's like watching a live-action soap opera produced by Law & Order and directed by TMZ. Diddy's defense team dropping the no witnesses bomb? Wild. Those graphic videos shown in court, insane. And don't even get me started on Brendan Paul showing up with immunity like a Survivor Legal Edition. Whether you think this is Diddy being slick or desperate, one thing's for sure. This trial is heating up faster than a Bad Boy remix. And I'll be here with a front row seat taking notes and sipping all the tea. Somebody hand me a fan because this trial is extra hot in all the worst ways. From last-minute legal surprises to courtroom bombshells, it's safe to say Diddy's defense plan is bold or reckless or both. Either way, it's one for the legal history books. What do you think about Diddy's silent defense strategy? Genius or desperate gamble? And do you believe we'll see a shocking verdict? Drop your thoughts in the comments because we know you've got something to say. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss the next scorcher here on Extra Hot Topic, where tea gets spilled, justice gets grilled, and drama gets delivered hotter than a lawsuit every day. Until next time, stay spicy, folks.